3750 kVA before dismantling. Side view of the main AC generator. Hood removed. Disconnection of diodes on progress. All diodes disconnected. Rotative exciter seen with a lot of carbon dust. Close-up view of carbon dust on the exciter. Fixed exciter seen with excessive amount of carbon dust. Close-up view of fixed exciter with carbon dust. Leakage of oil due to worn out of labyrinth seal. Main rotor before removal from the stator. Rotor removal in progress. Main rotor removed from the stator. Rotor after removal from the stator with excessive amount of carbon dust. Main rotor before cleaning. Cleaning of rotor in progress. View of connection end of the main stator before servicing. Close-up view of winding with carbon dust. Carbon dust mixed with oil inside the alternator. Oil leakage due to worn out labyrinth seal. Fixed exciter after thorough washing and drying in the oven. Fixed exciter after varnishing. Close-up view of fixed exciter after servicing. Stator cleaned, varnished, and application of anti-tracking paint done ready for assembly. Main stator after varnishing and oven cure ready for assembly. Close-up view of connection and after servicing. Main rotor after servicing. Reassembling of the unit in progress. Assembly completed, ready for first test. Diodes fitted in place. Assembly completed, ready for final test. Testing completed, unit ready for painting. Quality finish, recondition the alternator back to the original specification.
Sprintex Engineering Services. For qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.